In the entrance piece, we also have several practical considerations that have to be addressed. The first one, and really the most important one, is that in your entrance you have to get from off stage, wherever that might be, to on stage, wherever that might be. And you want to do this gracefully, calmly, serenely, and keeping a really, really good presence about you. If you are in your own home, then it's possible off stage is maybe the kitchen, and on stage is the center of your living room. So you can count out exactly how many steps it's going to take you to get there. But if you are dancing in a public venue, maybe you're in a restaurant or a catering hall or in somebody's backyard at a family reunion, you might have to get from outside a room, through closed doors, down a flight of steps, between crowded tables in a restaurant, and avoiding waiters that are running all around. So there's a lot of obstacles that potentially could be in your way. This is why we keep, especially the beginning of the entrance, so simple. All we're going to do is walk. Just walk. Off stage until you have found your stage area, you're going to walk and stay serene and stay composed. Once you have found your staging area, wherever it is, now you want to define it. You want to circle around it once. If you have enough time, change direction, circle around it again. This is letting you figure out exactly how much space you have to dance in so you can be comfortable. It's also letting your audience know, hey, here's where the show's going to be.